Hello everybody, how are you today? This is Kim Haver from Artemis Futures and I'm live from East London today. I wanted to drop in and talk to you a little bit about stories, why stories are so important and what makes them so powerful. People talk about their story as a one-shot thing. Now when you think about it, a story is never that. A story is a compilation of things, whether you're talking about a brand, whether you're talking about a television show, or whether you're even talking about the people you have conversations with. Stories are about building a sense of what something is. And a great story has three things. A great story, number one, has a sense of the destination. It has a sense of where it's going. The second thing a great story has is it gives you a sense of the pathway or the road to get to that story. Then the third thing is this story creates momentum. It creates a drive for the listener, the reader, the person who's listening to the story to want to find out more and to continue along the roadmap until you get to the story's destination. So when you think about how you talk to people in your business, people outside your business, how you talk about yourself, your brand, your reputation and your story, think about how you're doing that. A story isn't one thing. A story is made up of parts. It's made up of mini stories that actually evolve along the way. And that's just one of the things that I'll be covering in the brand new Artemis Storytelling Masterclass, which is happening on July the 20th. It's a full-day workshop. You can come along and learn how to make your stories great and how to make them resonate with people. You can click on the link that I've left below in the comments to find out more information and to book yourself in. I would love to see you on the 20th of July. Have a fabulous day and I look forward to talking to you soon. Bye-bye.